Kidding me?
Guys, this is take 3. Anyways, so we're doing bumper boats. He hasn't
Are we still
started
gonna
his
have the
yet.
old footage?
He hasn't started his yet. Come here. And this is mine. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse. Touch you guys right there.
Are we still gonna have the old footage?
Yes.
Okay, good. Do you know how to use CapCut?
Yes. Perfect. Mine is speedy.
I'm building the Christmas version of yours. Well, yeah, kind of.
You mean the
Oh,
Christmas
yeah,
version
but
of your old one?
my old one was. I'm building like the same one.
This.
I'm gonna have a lot more money after this because I actually have goop in my stash.
Yeah. I don't, because you kicked me and I lost my backpack.
It was an accident. I meant
How
to
do you
kick the other
mix?
guy.
I'm a
He's
penguin.
probably.
He's a gorilla with a pineapple. How did you mix us up?
I don't know. I'm gonna add you as a moderator so I can't kick you.
Okay. Boom. So now. Yeah, so I definitely got a speed factor here.
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of do my own design, but it's not gonna be exactly.
Okay. Add one.
I'm gonna make it improved.
Like your first design, just different.
It's gonna have different mechanics. The camera's sideways. We're gonna like make it like this.
Okay.
That's good. I think it's too far up, so I'm gonna point it down a little bit.
Well, let me
Okay,
check.
that's good.
Yeah, it looks good there.
All right.
I'm just gonna put one of these tablets, just in case you get behind me.
The tablet is honestly just for decoration. Let's be real.
I just use it. I use it just in case you get behind me. You know.
Yeah, I'll have it.
Another.
Can you get me a teleport gun so not to put on my build so we can easily get into the spot?
Oh yeah, that makes sense. There. I threw it behind. It's right over there. I'm putting my hip slot.
That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna put one last hook shot right here. This is this. Perfect. Actually, I'm gonna change this a bit.
No, I almost just destroyed my goop build.
Perfect.
Well, I did.
You destroyed.
Not necessarily. I destroyed.
So yeah,
a
guys,
part
this
of
is
it.
the build so far. His looks weird. Mine is peak.
Mine's as peak as Undertale.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Undertale is pretty peak.
Undertale's probably
first.
my favorite game.
Yeah, same here. Perfect.
We're gonna play with him after.
Yeah. Alright, I got my safety factor in it. It's very safe.
gonna try this. Oh, yeah, I like that. That's gonna be the way. I'm just gonna buy a goop. I don't feel like going to my stash again. I know Christmas is over, but, you know,
Yeah, that makes
can't
sense.
resist Christmas theme. I
just
mean,
wanna
it's just cool.
test. I want to test something. Does this? Oh, that's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna put that in my hip slot. Just ready. So I'm gonna do one of these. But yeah, whenever I want, let's do that. Load that up. I got a contraption.
What's a contraption?
So, I have discovered something as well.
What have you discovered?
Come here, let me show you. So as you can see, I have this on here. Except if except if I grab it and shoot it, then it will also if I shoot my grapplers, then I'll shoot this. But if I use this to shoot it, it doesn't shoot
That's
everything.
cheating. You can't use that.
How's-
It's a bumper
cheat?
boat.
It's
You're
a
supposed
safety
to just
mechanism.
bump.
Safety mechanism.
Just don't like use it, because it's gonna
Fine,
just.
I'll use it for something else. Ooh, I
It's
just got an
gonna
idea.
it's just gonna destroy the fun factor.
I just lost my boat.
How'd you lose your boat?
I accidentally blew it up.
See, this is why you don't.
I'll
Here,
just
go
rebuild it.
find it.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. You know what? I got money. I'll just rebuild it. I'll just rebuild it.
I've already spent 20,000.
I've spent not that much. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the bottom since that just seems like. You know. It's not even. Perfect.
Oh, you found your boat?
No. I'm just
Oh.
rebuilding it.
Okay.
I mean, I still got money to spare either way. Perfect. And I can just go into public lobbies.
Why can you just go into public lobbies?
So I can just get money.
Oh, just grind in a private server. One time tried grinding in a public lobby and they stole all my monies.
I'm using it as a boost now instead of an attack. As you can see.
Why did I think of this? To just put this stuff around?
So you are doing too much, I'll just say that. I mean, I can't blame you, because I'm just going all in on the speed factor. Get 2 box fans.
think what I'm gonna do is for my movement, I'm gonna use these.
Ah, hover pads. That's actually kind of smart, not gonna lie. There. Okay, perfect. Now I need to get new hook shots for the front.
I guess my mechanism didn't work.
What happened? I'll fix it.
Alright, I'm gonna
Don't
just
worry,
test
ma'am.
out movement.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll fix it.
Ah! My boat! No,
Your
I
boat?
just broke it.
You broke your boat.
Where'd my Hulk
Do
fit go?
this. Okay,
Where'd
this
the-
should fix it. Toss, do you think this will work? Wait, Silas, I have an idea.
What? No, I don't.
We should, cause what if we go off the camera? How boring would that be?
Yeah.
So we'll just call him in a little bit. Here, I'll just tell him. Soon. Like I said, I told him soon. Okay,
Okay, so my boat is about done.
oh my gosh, why are my hook shots that glitch? I think I'm gonna change this. Get rid of that and replace it with a third box fan. Okay. Okay, that's... Silas, how does this one look?
Pretty cool. I'm gonna show
I'm gonna
the
get
camera.
I'm gonna get my
Alright.
headlights and a tablet, then I'll be ready.
You should do backlights too. Like, take a look at mine, how it has the backlights, sort of. You see how it's like, the glow stick for the backlight?
Oh. Crap.
I'm gonna show the camera a review.
Oh gosh!
Okay, guys, so this is my bumper boat. I went a little overkill. Oh yeah, I need to add one more thing. So
He
I'm just
did.
gonna will you give me one of the tablets?
I can't. You gotta buy one.
Bro, please, I don't have them unlocked.
That's just gonna have to go there. Yeah, I don't need a second. I don't need headlights.
I only have the treasure
have-
map on.
I'll just have one headlight. How does that sound?
Will you please give me a tablet?
They're literally not that expensive in research points.
But, I don't... Where do I even unlock them?
It's at the bottom of bags and gadgets.
Oh. It says a treasure map, but, like, on a screen. I don't know.
Yeah, it's description. Anyways, guys, time for me to show you mine. Because I am officially done.
Now I'm officially done.
So here we have the single headlight. And then we got the movement. And then this is the 3 box fans. And on the third
Now,
one, we have...
you should replace
2.
that with a crowbar. I'm actually gonna add a crowbar.
I'm not replacing it with a crowbar. Here we got the hook shots and the start. Okay, guys. I hope you're ready for this. I'll load this with a flashlight.
Let me see the camera. I'm recording. Okay, I'm gonna show mine. Okay, so mine is officially done.
Okay, I'm gonna meet
So,
you over at the start.
Okay, I have these headlights, canes, snowboards, backlights, hoverboards, the Christmas themed one. I have the tablet, hook shots, and the crowbar trophy. So, I guess I'll just meet them on over. Okay, I'll unban him. He's unbanned. I'm gonna go put you guys over here so I can easily get in through. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna... Oh, you guys aren't even in here. Okay, you guys, we're gonna easily whoop Lukey Pookie. And he's gonna hear me say this, too. I'm coming. We're gonna easily whoop him. I mean, just look at this thing.
What's up, bro? Alright,
Okay.
I told Emmett to join.
I guess I'll just be the cameraman.
Until he joined. Oh, he joined. Let's head. Emmett, come to the bumper boats area. Alright, give me the camera. Hold on. Give me the camera. Alright, guys. We got our cameraman joining up. And he's on his way.
He better be good. If he's not good, I'm banning him.
But you can't just ban people. I'm gonna jump inside of your boat. Give me your boat. Okay, guys. Here's my boat. It's pretty fire. Hey, get off my boat! Get off my boat!
My boat!
No, the camera! I think you're launching me off Silas.
Wrong way! Just respawn it. You're gonna be a cameraman, alright? Use your right hand to record, use your left hand to move. Make sure the camera. I got hit. Oh, you got hit as well?
I can't. No.
Well, the camera's under there.
Okay. Let go of it.
Take
Okay.
the camera.
Yeah, and then grab the camera.
He's our cameraman. A pineapple man.
So you could talk to them while we set up. All right, you stay
Be
here.
a
I'm going to the other
commentator.
side.
Be a commentator, alright? Okay. Let's see.
Pop a wheelie.
I'm
popping a
Silas
wheelie.
Silas the Great is absolutely destroying King Penguin. I'm pretty sure. It looks like King Penguin has some type of fan on his back. I don't remember what they're called.
I'm coming. Hey. Oh no, I'm out
And
of
he has
fuel.
incredible speed.
Aha.
While he's destroying Lucas.
That's your boat's flaw.
King Penguin.
You always run out of fuel.
Oh, sorry.
Mine never runs out.
As Lucas thinks he's being.
Okay,
the
let's
ult-
make a rule where we can't use the hook shot so we can go far. You agree? Yeah. Here, hold on, stop. Take off the hook shots. Take them off.
I'll have a hook shot.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
Just so you can keep up with us.
Yeah.
Go! Rah! Cool. Hey! Get back here, you. Pop the wheelie. Whoa! I'm popping a wheelie. That thing that's cool about mine. I can pop wheelies.
Well, I could do backflips.
I can literally fly.
I can literally fly. I'm Santa.
This is bumper. This is bumper ships. This is bumper spaceships. We can literally fly now.
Lucas, why do you have the tablet on your thing? Is it like
Coming for you. That guy's got juice.
oh crap, sorry.
Get the camera there! How are you not flying?
How are you not flying? You have to hit headshots to make them fly really far.
Oh my gosh! Get that on video! I'm gonna get you better. I literally you literally set me flying.
Oh! If you didn't get that part on video, you're fired. I got it on video. I got this one on video. For sure.
You're about to be out of life next.
Out of life? What?
No, yeah, you're about to be out of life next. Yeah!
Oh, damn.
Not today, Satan. Oh, you can't teleport, that's cheating!
Okay,
teleport.
weapon?
Cheater! You can't get me now. Ah, you can! I go faster when I'm popping wheelies. Hey, stop flying, that's cheating.
You're literally flying.
Yeah, flying isn't cheating, actually. It's just an ability that we
flying,
have.
you're technically losing.
Wow. You may have lost me, but not for that. I have the strats.
I feel like Lucas is losing here.
Oh, not
For
today,
reasons.
Satan. Get juked. Deactivating thrusters. Deactivation. Oh no, my thrusters aren't working. Jumped over. Ah! No. Ah! He's got juked. Here. Where you at now? Time for me to to fly. We're having an air battle now.
Hurry!
Oh, you're not there, buddy. Come here. This is our best bumper boat round yet.
Lucas is losing so far, since he's been launched the most.
Yeah.
What health are you guys even at?
We don't max. Wait, where'd my stick go? No, my stick broke and I lost my thing.
Ha! You can't fly anymore.
I should have used something stronger than a stick.
I told you
Like
the
a crowbar?
I thought you meant to replace. Wait, no, it's on you. Hold on. We need to stop this. No, my boat. My boat.
I'll get it.
Got it. I got it.
Okay. Oh, I'll just watch Lucas. I mean, Silas the Great. Walking.
Yes, on yours. On yours.
Just gonna use my hook shot so I can stay still.
Here, can you get off? Or I can grab it.
Just
I
grab it.
see it. It's right here. No, you gotta get off your boat.
If you destroy my boat,
I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh
Well,
wait,
the
this ain't
stick
good.
broke.
Yeah, my stick broke.
Just use a crowbar.
I don't have one.
Oh, you can. I have something. You can use a Hulk fist. I have.
No. Yo, can I have your crowbar, Silas?
No, this is not trophy.
Alright. Here we go! I can fly again! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! I'm
Lucas
flying
is still
away.
getting wrecked.
I can climb and you can't.
Yeah, I literally can.
I'm coming!
Ugh.
Come here! Come here,
I-
you!
Is this even a boat anymore?
No, I think
I
it's
call
a
it more
plane.
of a plane than boat.
Bumper
It's more of a
plane!
flying car.
Oh, bumper
Yeah, flying
plane. That's a
car.
good name. Bumper plane.
What? Why are you AFK
Bumper
right
plane.
Bumper boats? That's literally what they're called. Ah! Or did you say bumper cars?
I said bumper
Ow.
plane.
Oh. Well, these aren't even planes. They don't have wings.
Oh,
You could add wings.
Start on me, I see how it is.
You'll never take me alive! Go, 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 go! Down! Good luck getting the boat out of that. I could use... I need to get out.
Just use the plane and go over the ice.
I'm trying.
See if you can. No, let me show you
I'm
something.
free!
If you just
Where
do
is he?
this.
Where's Silas at? You!
Right here.
Hi-ya! Owie. I hit my bed. Go!
Whoa.
Emmett, hand me the camera.
Leave the cameraman alone!
Okay.
Ah!
Here you go. Wait. You need to
Leave the cameraman alone! Oh
Where are
crap,
you?
I lost my Hulk fist.
The whole fist is right there. Where'd he
Alright.
go?
Let me see.
Where is it? Where's my Hulk fist?
Here it is.
Where's my Hulk fist? Where's my Hulk
It's over
fist?
here. I found it right here.
Yippee! Give it.
Here.
Emmett, I don't need you to grab it for me.
Guys, I can't grab my boat. Somebody help. Help.
Okay.
Grab my boat by the ogre hand for me.
Okay. This was the boat.
Okay, thanks.
Just kidding.
Bro,
just
give
kidding.
it back.
I'm just kidding. Where's my boat go?
It's literally
It's
right
on.
next to it.
I thought it went flying. Prepare to die!
Yeah, prepare for you to die.
No, you prepare to not live anymore.
Gosh, he is not giving up. I don't even understand.
Surprise!
Where'd he go? Oh,
Ow. Yeah.
he's getting destroyed.
Lucas gets absolutely rectified by
You sure about that?
Because his penguin self is humongous.
I'm not a penguin. Oh wait, actually I am a penguin.
Yes, you are. And his penguin is like big chunky, it's super easy to hit.
Big chungus, big chungus, big chungus. Yeah, come here. Full auto. Yeah, you can't go full auto, I bet. I bet you don't have 3. I'm literally
Well, I have
standing
3
still.
hovercrafts. They're literally better. Well, yeah, because your things are on, so I can't
Oh, I
fling
launched
you.
you. Let's go! Not today, Bob! Oh no! Ha! You got up in the air for that one. Yeah! Hey! That's not nice!
I didn't even do anything. You went flying.
Where's the camera go?
I have
Silas
it.
still has it. Hey! Stop running!
Where did he go?
And as Lucas keeps on getting destroyed somehow.
You
I'm
literally
not
said
getting
that's
destroyed.
cheating.
What? I'm not using it to run away, I'm using it to attack you.
Yeah, you're literally using it to run.
How?
Cause you just are.
How do you, where's your proof, huh?
Because I'll be chasing you and then you'll just teleport.
You can't get me.
Oh, he just got fly.
Get blocked.
Does anyone want to
Get blocked.
for free in this
Get
game?
blocked.
Ow!
Get blocked.
I'm talking about inside the game, bro.
There's these things called holes.
Yeah, in this game, there's something called a focus.
It's actually an ogre fist. Oh my gosh, you went flying.
Yes, they did.
Oh,
no,
damn.
you don't!
Are you really there?
You just got juked!
Bro, you literally just flew up. How's that you?
Go away. Get juked! Get juked! Get juked!
You didn't even juke me.
He's on me. Get juked! Oh. Get juked! Oh, get punched! Get juked! Ah!
He didn't even get a juke.
Juke! 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 Hold up. Stop! Stop your boat. Go down. Okay, it's my turn to have the camera, Silas.
Alright,
Silas?
take it.
Get off my bow. Silas! You've kidnapped my bow! Silence, stop moving. Stop my boat.
The camera's behind you.
I'm grabbing my boat so it doesn't despawn. Crap. Ow. Anyways. Alright, guys.
Bro, you aren't even recording what you're seeing. You're just recording your face.
Oh my. Well, then let me grab it instead of keep smashing it. Okay. Come. Okay, guys. We're good now. And where'd the cameras go? Alright. He's on me! Emmett, where are you? You just got juked.
Bro, how did I...
You just got juked. You ran away from me! That's a violation.
I was literally doing it to attack nerd.
Violation! 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 That's a violation right there. Stop violating! You're going too far.
You aren't even recording anything. You're just recording the floor.
Yeah, that's the boy. You stop being angry. It's not nice. Where'd you? And he's flying into the sky. Just great. This is the face of a rule breaker.
There's no.
Look at
you
him.
literally did the
Look
same
at him
thing.
and look at him good. Oh,
I
crap,
found a
okay.
new place where you could. If you guys have a key, I found a new place to go. It might give you big bang.
My camera. Yeah!
I found somewhere that can give you big bang.
Okay, anyways, come on. Okay, anyways, guys, we're gonna end the video off here while getting violently chased by this maniac. So, go! I'm just gonna drop my boat here, and they're not gonna be in frame. He fell off. Hey, we're gonna record the outro. Come here, quick. Okay, anyways, that's it for today's video, and next video will be soon.